So the first is Redin Salih artwork. Who is Redin Salih? So Redin Salih was a pioneering Indonesian painter and one of the first Asia artists to be trained in Europe. He is known for combining European romantic styles with Indonesia subjects, making him a key figure in South Asia art history. So, the purpose of Redin Salih painting was to express emotion and drama while portraying Indonesian history, nature, and identity through European romantic art techniques. His work also aims to reflect colonial experiences and highlight the strength, struggle, and culture of his people. So the next is famous artwork. Redin Salih artworks reflect romanticism combining dramatic emotion, movement, and strong storytellings. His paintings often show themes of power, stronger nature, and resistance influenced by both European techniques and Indonesian history. So the first is The Aries of Diponegoro 1857. This painting shows the dramatic capture of Prince Diponegoro by Dutch colonial force. It symbolizes resistance, injustice, and the struggle of Indonesians against colonial rules. The next is Lion Hunt, 1840s and 1850s. This artwork depicts and extends hunting scenes filled with action and danger. Its highlight bravery, power, and the dramatic relationship between human and wild animals. And the next is Two Tigers, 1840s. The painting shows two tigers in a moment of tensions and aggressions. It represents straight conflict and the raw force of nature. Hunting scenes. This artwork portrays hunters in motion, emphasizing excitement and struggle. It reflects Redensali's fascinations with movement, danger, and heroic action. View of Mount Merapi. This landscape painting presents the beauty and power of nature. It shows Mount Merapi as both peaceful and majestic, reminding viewers of nature's strength. Art 1. The Rise of Diponegoro 1857. This painting is to show the injustice faced by Indonesians under colonial rule. It highlights the bravery and struggle of Prince Diponegoro. It also inspires viewers to remember their history and value freedom. Art 2. Leon Hunt, 1840s and 1850s. This artwork aims to show the excitement and danger of hunting. It highlights human courage and skills in facing wild animals. It also captures dramatic actions and tensions for the viewers. R3. Two Tigers, 1840s. This painting is to show strength and conflict in the wild. It captures the power and survival instinct of tigers. It also makes viewers appreciate the intensity of nature. Art 4. Hunting scenes. This artwork it means to show human bravery and struggle during hunting. It emphasizes movement and action in the scenes. It also allows viewers to feel the thrill and danger of the hunt. The last art 5. View of Mount Merapi. This painting is to show the beauty and majesty of nature. It portrays Mount Merapi as powerful and aware expiring. It also reminds viewers to respect and admire the nature world. Thank you. I am Elizabeth Elcupa from BSA 2A.